Bertha. My name is Amber, and I'm going to be your social worker helping you in your case today. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Doing good. So first of all, before you start talking, I have to let you know that this meeting is confidential. Other than any type of abuse, or if I think you're going to harm yourself or someone else is going to harm you, then I have to report that.
Okay.
Under mandated law.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. So tell me what you wish to accomplish in their first meeting.
I just want to feel like that my daughter listens to my wishes. That's what I want to accomplish.
Okay. That's a very good accomplishment goal. So with your daughter, since you're having issues with your daughter, tell me some things that happened at the home when your daughter's there with you.
Well, I'm a widow, and my daughter, she recently became a widow too, and she thinks that I should live with her. So anytime we're at home, she starts to pack up my things, and she plans garage sales without my consent, and she's just moving me without my consent.
And how do you feel about that?
I'm independent. I can still get around good, and she doesn't think so, and makes me feel like less of a person.
Okay. So do you feel like you're being abused by your daughter in any way, emotionally or physically?
No, not really. I don't feel abused, no.
Okay. So, with you and your daughter having difficult situations together, everybody has disagreements. What would you say was the number one disagreement that you have with your daughter?
I feel like she's way too controlling, and she doesn't listen to my wishes.
Okay. Well, tell me about a time recently since this has been happening that you've maybe felt depressed or emotionally down, anything like that.
Well, she told the ladies at the senior center that I couldn't live on my own anymore, and that makes me feel depressed.
Right. Okay. I understand. So when your daughter does this, when she becomes demanding or forces you to do something you don't want to do, such as packing your things away, are you usually alone or are you like around other people?
It's both. When we're alone, it's a lot heavier though.
Okay. So you think maybe she takes advantage of that situation?
I do.
Okay. So how about just kind of listening to a little bit of things that's going on? How would you feel about coming in with your daughter and speaking together with me in a session?
Do you think that would help her listen?
I do. I think a second opinion would definitely help her listen. Me being an advocate for you, I think would maybe kind of change her perspective a little bit. So I do think that would help. So with that being said, I think that if we had an area to work on with as far as your relationship with your daughter, what would be the number one thing that you would work on?
I just want mutual respect for her to listen to me, and I will listen to her.
Okay, very good goal. So we'll put that down, and we'll go ahead and make the next appointment, maybe April 15th. Is that a good day for you?
That's perfect.
Okay, we can get together for the time. But until then, do you have any questions?
I don't. Thank you very much.
Okay, well here's my contact information, and
Thank
call
you.
me if you need me.
Thank you.
Thank you.